Welcome to the Python advanced level training. Now we would look at what are we going to cover in this particular advanced level course of Python. So let's move ahead and understand what is the difficulty level. So it would be an advanced level. Now for doing this particular course, what skill sets you must have. So the very first thing is you must have a basic knowledge of any programming language. Also Python intermediate level knowledge is required because we have covered certain important concepts in the intermediate level course which would be needed when you are doing the advanced level course of Python. So let's move ahead and understand the course objectives. So over here, participants will be able to create the input output, that is accepting the input from the user, creating or displaying the output to the user. Similarly, how to read data from a particular file. It may be a text file or whatever, or some other kind of files. Similarly, how to write data in the particular files. Also, what are the errors and exceptions in Pythons. Similarly, what are classes in Python, how to create those, how to create functions or objects in your classes and how to call them outside the particular class. Also, various standard libraries available in Python. So with this, we move ahead and understand what are you going to learn in this course. So you're going to learn how to handle exceptions in Python. Like basically exceptions are nothing but some errors which might occur because the user have entered some invalid input or something like that. Okay. So how to handle those when the program is executing. Similarly, how to handle your file handling in Python, that is accepting or writing data in the file, reading data from the file, so on. Again, how to create classes and objects in the particular file in Python. Similarly, let's see if there are any course requirements or prerequisites for this. So you must have the basic knowledge of any programming language. Also, Python intermediate level knowledge is must. Now, let's see what is our or who are our target audience. It could be anyone who wants to learn Python. Basically, anyone who is also having earlier knowledge of Python and want to upgrade themselves to the new skill sets that we are going to cover in this course, those are also welcome to go through this particular course. Now, let's move ahead and see by the end of this course, what will you have as your skill sets. So you would have a lot of examples on handling files, exception handlings and input output in Python. Again, you would be also having many examples on how to create classes, objects and functions in Python. So without wasting time, now let's start creating going ahead with our Python advanced level course in this case, right?